Summer's special 100% alkalizing spinach lime smoothie is a great de-stressing coolant for the body. It's highly effective in relieving acidity as it pacifies the Pitta. This drink is excellent for the summers and even during the rains. But don't take it during the winter if you have Kapha vikruti. Enjoy this drink any time of the day, but before sunset.
Namaste friends. Let's learn how to make a 100% alkalizing beverage, the spinach lime smoothie. Kent Ozone has already purified our ingredients. Let's get started. Ingredients ready and our beautiful Kent blender to help us through. Chopped spinach, fresh but frozen strawberries, frozen banana, some sweet basil seeds or tukmaria as we know them. If you don't have basil seeds, you can also use hemp seeds. A squeeze of fresh lemon, and let's top it with some tender coconut water. This is beautiful. Let's serve. We'll top with some more sweet basil seeds. De-stress yourself with the spinach lime smoothie.